Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about this fantastic product called the ThermalTake Matrix D filter covers. Okay, these ones in particular are the Matrix D12 and D14. The D12 caters for 120mm fans and the D14 covers for 140mm fans. They're both in black, okay, they both have a fine filter for dust reduction, magnetic frame, screw holes ready, and they're great reliability for your PSUs. These are fantastic because of the magnetic frame. You can stick them onto the back of the PSU, onto the back of your exhaust fan, side of the case, top of the case, bottom of the case, or even on your fridge if you like. So they are very, very versatile. Very lightweight. I really do like the actual color of them, even though I would like to see them in different colors, maybe white, etc., just to blend in with a different colored case if I wish. But to be honest, this is a fantastic product and I highly recommend it. These can be bought for roughly £6 to £12 depending on where you go. I will be including some Amazon links in the description below if you want to go ahead and buy them. If you do, I obviously would like to give you a thank you in advance because it does give me a slight kickback on the channel, which helps me to buy cool stuff like this and other stuff to bring you more content just like this. So if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, feel free to give it a thumbs down, and why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.